Hi all, you join me on what a glorious day, isn't it? Me and my solar dome. Am I not glaring you, am I, Jay, with my solar dome?
Pristine.
Anyway, pristine, thank you very much. I've polished it just for you. So Nick is on holiday this week. He's taking some well-earned time with his boys, doing some fancy stuff, no doubt, in this beautiful weather. You join me outside with the Clio. The Clio goes today. The owner's having her back. Fingers crossed she does come back so we can put our little stamp on her. It is a bit of a shame not to be able to do it right now, but like I said, fingers crossed she'll come back. The Mark 1 Golf GTI, that come back from Retropower yesterday. We've refitted the trims on the wings, trims on the sill, rebuilt the trims on the boot lid with some new badges. I'm waiting for some clips to come from Heritage so I can refit that front arch spat. So that's at that stage, so that should be going very soon, maybe a week, next week maybe, fingers crossed. The Lister, we have done a lot of work on that. I think Nick's already covered it, where we've done the clutch, loads of other bits and bobs, some nice new cone intakes, new seatbelt. Well, no, we didn't put a new seatbelt, we refreshed the seatbelt, sent that away for refurb so that the inertia now works on it properly as it should. We are taking that on Friday to have a new exhaust. It's going full manifold, tubular manifold, all the way back out the back so it sounds louder. Customer didn't like the way it sounds, said it sounds pants. This is going to sound insane, hopefully, when that comes back. The 500. That has had a new exhaust fitted to it. We have stripped off the door mirror. Some odd reason, the near side door mirror, when you press left it goes left, press right it goes right, and so on forth. You operate the offside mirror, it does everything in reverse. So you press right, it goes left, press down, it goes up. So we're looking into that to find out what's going on with that. The Alpina, we have had a control module repaired for the indicator. So basically when you use the indicator, you weren't getting the flash on the dash, you weren't getting the indication. We had it repaired, it came back, and we didn't have much luck with it. Matt fitted it, plugged it in, and there was a bit of a zip and some smoke. So we thought, yeah, that definitely ain't right. So that has now gone back again to the people that repaired it. So fingers crossed we should see that in a couple of weeks. The Daimler, that's been inspected. We have been given the go ahead, I think, but Nick may prove me wrong. So we've got quite a bit of work to do on that. What else we got outside? Nick has the Charade. Nick's inspected that one, sent a report off to the customer. So that's in motion. He's inspected the 106, I think, because he was in Saturday. So he's inspected that one. The SEC 500, all the interior's back in that. We just need to do some mileage on it. The timing's a little bit out, so she doesn't like restarting when she's hot, so we've got to adjust the timing on that. So that's just minor. We passed that corner because we can't talk about that corner. The 504, we have mocked up all of, well, not all of, made up some new coolant. Did you get some footage of this the other day, Jay? So we mocked up some aluminium piping for the coolant lines. We hard piped it. Had some more pipe turn up yesterday, so I'll do some tee-offs. I've got to do a tee-off for the thermostat bypass and a fill point. So that is near enough done with the coolant pipes on that. Nick has been working tirelessly on the ELF. That is ready to go back, as far as I'm aware. So that is that bit done. The Beetle, that has gone leaps and bounds. Matt has been working tirelessly as our Harry. Our chicken leg Harry has been working quite hard on it, making the underside look amazing. So that is, yeah, that's going back next week. I think Nick will probably do a detailed video on what's being carried out on that when he comes back off his Holly Bobs. 2002, that has had the brake master cylinder sent away, refurbed. That is now refitted, bled up, and all hunky-dory. Fitted a new set of HT leads on that today. So we've got to do a road test on that when we get some fuel because it's run out. The MGF, we were so close. We were so close. Did a few miles on it and it was leaking gear oil. So it's like, couldn't work out why. So we looked at it, it's like, oh, new drive shaft oil seals have already been fitted to it, so pulled it apart, maybe the drive shaft oil seals are faulty. That's why you get warranty with new parts, because new parts can still fail. So new set of drive shaft oil seals, clipped it all back in, did some road tests, it's perfectly fine. Did one more road test, gear oil again, and it's, so we've looked into it. We think the diff bearings are gone on it, because when you do some driving on it, do about 25 mile, it's pushing the drive shaft out, and then it's just losing all the gear oil. So all that has got to come back out, all of it. The subframe's got to come out, the engine's got to be lifted out of the subframe, then the gearbox comes off the engine. So all that hard work has got to be redone. Yay! Great fun. Anyway, that's why we do the shakedown mileage, really, and it's rather it happened to us and happened to the customer and then him be miffed. So the customer's happy, we spoke to him, he's fine about it. Aston, now that has come back from Retropower, it's all now fully rebuilt. We do have to get it on the ramp to put some under trays back on it, and I think we've got to put the front arch liners back in, but we're going to wait until James has finished with the interior. He's done quite a lot of it, but he's waiting for a new binnacle for the centre console, because the last one looked like it was made out of like a compressed cardboard of some rubbish. But that's being 3D printed by the boys up at Retropower, so that's where we are with that one. Eagle-eye viewers will probably say, oh, that Volvo's been in here before, and you are right. That has come back to have 2 new front wishbones, new front ball joints, drop links and brake fluid change. A couple of items that we picked up on inspection. Because the customer's local, it's easier for him to just bring it in, get a little bit done, take it away, bring it back, get a little bit more done. So it's easier for him, it's easier for us. Now that's where we are with that. Harry's smiling and looking handsome as ever. Handsome. I got called handsome yesterday by a viewer. Yeah. Personally, I actually thought I got a face for radio, but I'll take that. There's not many people who call me handsome, unless my little Harry does. He likes me. Thank you. So that is pretty much where we are this week. Thank you for logging on. I know we haven't seen us for a couple of weeks. Jamie had a holiday. How dare he? How rude. Honestly. Not entitled to, mate. I'm sorry. Anyway, I think I've covered everything. Oh, I could do with some help. Need rear disc and pads for a Peugeot 504. So if anybody could point me in a direction of some rear disc and pads, that would be fantastic. But apart from that, hopefully catch you all next week. Take it easy.